Welcome to our Pleasant View R6 Title I Parent Meeting. The highlighted items on our agenda are what we are going to reference first. The Teacher-Parent-Student Compact is located to the side of the agenda. The Parent Involvement Policy is located in the Student Handbook, and the ESSA complaint procedures are also in the Student Handbook. If you have any suggestions, concerns, or questions about those three documents, please message me on Dojo, contact the school, or you may send me an email. Moving to our PowerPoint presentation. How important is reading and what is Title I? As well as how can you as parents be involved with your child's learning? Title I is a K-12 program that provides additional academic support and learning opportunities for students. The program is intended to help ensure that all students meet district and state academic standards. Our goals for Title I are to increase academic achievement, provide direct instructional support to students, and promote parent education and involvement. We provide direct instructional support by using the Next Step in Guided Reading lesson format, as well as the Pathways to Reading for Phonics Word Work. In my direct instruction, I make sure to hit the 5 components of reading within my lesson plan format: phonemic awareness, phonics instruction, fluency, vocabulary, and comprehension. Phonemic awareness is the ability to identify and manipulate sounds in spoken words. Phonics instruction teaches the relationships between the letters in the written language and the sounds of spoken language. Fluency is the ability to read a text accurately, quickly, and with expression. Vocabulary is the range of words a student is able to understand and use in context. Comprehension is the understanding and interpretation of what is read. The Pleasant View R6 mission statement. Together we can achieve. The school, the Title I teacher, and the classroom teacher will work collaboratively to adopt a plan that will help your child develop the skills to become fluent readers. Lesson plans will be developed to meet your child's personal needs. As parents, you can support the Title I program by attending meetings, asking questions, helping your child complete homework assignments, and staying positive. Students may complete homework assignments, practice reading every day, stay positive, ask questions, and try your very best. More resources will be handed out during our family reading night to help you and your child at home. The activity survey that is listed will be completed during our family reading night. If I am not able to attend a parent-teacher conference with your child and you would like to meet with me to talk about your child's progress, please message me on Class Dojo, as I am attached to all the classrooms, so you should be able to find me under the messages. You may contact the school or you may email me as well. Thank you for watching the video. And I also, if you do make it to family night, I would like for you to sign in on 2 different sheets. One stating that you did watch the video and attended our virtual parent meeting, and the other one stating that you have participated in our family night on November 19th. Thank you again.